In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of Wi-Fi icon not showing Windows 10 PC. My mother has stage 4 kidney cancer. I request that you subscribe to my channel and help us grow them. Thank you. Sometimes the Wi-Fi icon disappears. I have a solution for this. First, click on the Windows icon and open Setting. Here, search System Icons and click on them. After that, make sure your network icon should be enabled. After that, if you still have issue of Wi-Fi icon not showing, so I have another solution. Go back to Homepage. First, right-click on this PC and then click on Manage. Next, click on Device Manager. After that, click on Network Adapters. Right-click on your wireless driver and select Uninstall Device. After uninstalling the driver, restart your PC. If the problem persists, repeat the same process, but this time, check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Then download your network driver from the manufacturer's website and install it. This should solve your problem.